Hello, Xinyi. Hello, Rex. Hello, Rex. I'm expecting you. Hello, Rex.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hi, Rex. I'm seeing you. I can see your face. Actually, this is I think it is the third time to meet face to face on the
Yes,
GILE
yes,
online,
yes.
GILE on site, and also we have met before online. Hello, Rex. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you. I'm Jane, by the way, and thank you for your participating this special event, and thank you for your waiting online. I see you almost keep 10 minutes before you enter this chatting room. Okay, Xinyi, sorry, Mr. Rex, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company and the products and anything you want to show to the whole world and your products, please, in like 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Thank you. Here you go.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Rex Yang from Xinyi Lighting. Our company many products LED outdoor flow lights housing kits. This is our showroom. We have many different shapes and works of housing. And today we will choose one of them to open the box. Let's see what our products contain. If you order a set of housing, you will receive such a box, about 8 kg weight. Open the box. First, you will see a thin peel wall used to protect and fix the latch body bracket. We take this latch out and look where what is there. This is the grass. And this is the rubber ring. One, two, three rubber ring. And the screw package. There's also a thin peel wall below to protect the latch. And this is the power box. This is the radiator. So we have two pure wood. Our packaging is the best in the whole industry. Our screws are 304 stainless steel. In addition, we also match the PCBs, the PCB and the whole pieces. Okay, this is one of our products. The box video.
Yes, thank you, Rex. This product, I can see that sealing
Yeah.
is quite, the sealing, the package is
Yeah.
quite good.
Do you
Because
want to know more information about product? You can visit our website.
Yeah.
www.xinyiligh.com or add me with WeChat.
Yeah, the
My
contact number.
WeChat number is 13560668827. Okay,
Okay,
that's all.
okay. Thank you, Rex. For Rex's introduction, based on Rex's introduction of the Xinyi production, I can see that a fine package of the projector is detailed, introduced with the 304 steel, and the PCB is a packet. And would you like, Rex, would you like to leave your message, your WeChat number on the on our online?
Okay,
Your contact number can be left
okay,
to our staff, and then later we will add it on to the video. So broadcast it to anyone interested in your product. It will contact you directly. Okay. Rex, would you like to introduce other products, or this is the only product that you want to show today?
I only prepare one, this one to open the box.
Sure. It's quite enough. And I see that the Rex Xinyi company has participating in our online online show high frequently. So every time you show up and introduce one product or respect one, and keep the content quite fresh, and that's really good. Thank you. And today's interview is terrifically good and fine. Thank you for your participating. Thank you,
Thank
Rex.
you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See. Hi. Thank you, Rex. Oh, I can see. Okay.